Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Up front and rear we have LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. We've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A nice wood trim rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. The C-Class has 28,211 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.